Well, to change the battery on the key fob for the R1200RS, you just need one tool really. You need just a little screwdriver like this to help pry the battery out, and of course you need 2032 button cells, just one. So to get the thing off, the cover off, you open the key like that, and this cover is what you need to take off, right? So what I do is just put my thumb in here and just pry it off. Don't be afraid to pry a little bit, you know, give some force, and next thing you do is you pry the battery out. Of course you'll see it'll fly out like that. So this is the old battery. Although you don't need to do this, I just want to test the voltage of the battery that I removed, just to see how much voltage is left when the display on the bike is saying that the battery needs to be changed. So let's turn this to 6 volts since it's a 3-volt battery, and then we put the negative anode to the black lead. It's kind of hard to hold this, and then the positive anode to the red lead. And as you can see from the display, maybe there it's saying 3 volts. So that's kind of strange that the display would be saying that it needs to be changed when it's 3 volts. So I got the new battery out from the packet. Here's a protective cover on the negative anode. So pull that off. Let's test that and see how much is in this. .27 volts. Okay. To reinstall the battery, just take the new battery here and stick it in with the negative side down. So this side here, this side would be facing downwards like that. Stick it in there and that's it. And then you just put this cover back on. To put the cover back on, just line it up and press down firmly and you're done. Now let's go see what the bike says.